In today's business world, AI is not just a tool, it's a game changer. At 5-Star BDM, we've seen how large language models, or LLMs, can drive business growth when used strategically. The key is in the implementation. For instance, a client seeking to improve content saw a 300% increase in brand recognition and 75% sales growth in 6 months. Our 5-Star framework for LLM excellence begins with defining strategic intent. Transform vague requests like write some marketing content into specific directives, such as create a data-driven white paper for enterprise CFOs. Next, ensure brand-aligned communication by defining your unique voice, incorporating industry expertise, and maintaining consistent messaging. Excellence is achieved through iterative refinement, evaluating objectives, and scaling successful strategies. Our healthcare technology client exemplifies the power of strategic LLM implementation. Facing a crowded market, we crafted an integrated LLM strategy focused on thought leadership. The results were remarkable: a 300% boost in brand recognition and 75% sales growth, establishing an industry leadership position. This case highlights the transformative potential of our framework in real-world scenarios. LLMs can revolutionize content development by creating audience-specific messaging, data-driven narratives, and scalable frameworks. In market analysis, they enable competitive landscape mapping, trend identification, and strategic opportunity analysis. For client communication, LLMs facilitate personalized proposals, impact-focused reporting, and compelling case studies, building stronger relationships and driving growth. At 5-Star BDM, we believe the true value of LLMs lies in strategic application. When aligned with business objectives and brand vision, these tools become catalysts for market leadership, revenue growth, brand authority, and operational excellence. Consider where your AI strategy falls short and how strategic LLM implementation could amplify your brand narrative.